how to create a affiliate marketing Facebook page. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Facebook page for your affiliate marketing link or for your affiliate marketing program. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is select your affiliate marketing program. So you can sign up for Amazon Associates, you can become a partner at SendGrid, or you can become a Warrior Plus affiliate and start marketing your products on Facebook. Now, how do you market your product or your service on Facebook? Well, the thing is, you need to create a Facebook page. For that, you need to log into your Facebook account. Everyone has a Facebook account by now. After that, you're going to click on your menu over here, and then you're going to go on to the pages section, and now you can just create a page. Now, what I would like to tell you guys is you need to make sure that you are very specific with your niche on your Facebook page. So if you're doing weight loss, so if we take Warrior Plus, they are a fitness and they have fitness affiliates, a lot of fitness affiliates and dietary affiliates. So let's say we're going with weight loss. So we're going to make a weight loss or lose weight quickly. No, or the best tips to lose weight. And you're going to name it like so. After that, you're going to add your category. So let's say weight loss. And we are a weight loss center. And then you're going to add a description. The best tips, best ways to lose weight. And you're just going to click on create page. And just like that, your page has been created. So once your page is created, you actually have to do the hard part. That is marketing your page. And there are a lot of ways you can start setting up your page. Now you can see this is a basic view of my page. It's very simple and you can see it's very empty right now. You need to start adding your own cover photos. You need to start making it look very active. So a way that I like to do that is by going on to canva.com, and I like to design my background photos, my profile pictures for Facebook accounts like these on Canva. You can easily do that. So what you're just going to do is you're going to search on Canva for Facebook, and they're going to provide you with a standard size Facebook template. So this is a Facebook cover. So you're just going to open that. And we're doing a weight loss cover, so we're going to make one for our background over here. And you want to make sure that you actually have added all of these backgrounds before you start promoting your actual products, because otherwise on a hollow account or hollow page like this, people are not going to be very interested in purchasing your product. So once you have that, we're going to create a blank cover on Canva. And what we're going to do on Canva is start designing a background photo. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. And once it has loaded up, I'm just going to go on to the elements section on the left. Then I'm going to search for fitness. And you can see there are different images as well as graphics. So you can choose what kind of graphic or image you want. That's totally up to you if you want to use graphics or images. Usually if you're trying to build something for the long term, you do want to add more graphics instead of images, because images can sometimes feel a bit outdated while graphics can be upgraded with time. So if you select a graphic on the elements section, you're going to get a recommendation section as well. So you're going to find similar graphics to that as well. And I'm just going to put a few over here. And later on, I'm going to decide which ones I actually want to keep. So we're going to add these and we're going to do this. I don't like this, so I'm just going to remove this. Maybe I don't want to add this. I'll just move these items closer like so. And then I'm just going to add this over here like so. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for lines on here. And I'm going to go into the graphics section. And I'm going to add some of these blue lines, blue dots over here. I'm going to tilt them like this. And I'm going to just do Control-C and Control-V. Rotate them on the other side. Drag it over here. Maybe I just want to place this over, like so. And I'm just going to place this image right here. And this one right at the edge as well. So make sure everything is aligned perfectly. And then I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to go onto the text section. I'm going to add a heading. And this is going to be the page name, so the best tips to lose weight. And after that, you can customize your text, so you can change up the font, change the colors, or you can use one of their ready-made font combinations on Canva as well if you want to do that to make your page look a bit more professional. I actually do like to use their ready-made font because they look very nice and very professional. So if I just go over here, I can just add copyright text, remove it from here, and I'll just paste my text. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size to 100 like this, and then I'm going to place it right over here like this, and obviously you can change it up to fit the actual aesthetic of your cover. Now I'm going to change it once more because I still don't really like it, so I'm just going to change this to this font. And I'm going to open this like so, and I'm going to make it centered. So you'll see this purple line appear when your text is centered. And like this, I'm just going to download my image like so. And once I have downloaded it, I'm just going to upload it onto my Facebook page. And this is why I like to use Canva. It's free and easy to use, and you can make custom pages for each item that you're marketing. And this is going to help you with keeping all of your separate affiliates separate on different pages with different graphics and different changes and customizations for each of your affiliates. So you can choose how you want to size this. I think it looks good like so. So we're just going to save these changes. And like this, you have a pretty decent page now running. After that, you're going to design the display picture of your page. And after that, what you're going to start doing is you're going to search for weight loss groups, or just search for weight loss, and then go into the group section on the left over here. And you're going to join some of these groups. So if these are invite only groups, you can do that as well. Or you can just join as many groups as you can with as many members. And once you have actually joined these groups, you're going to start posting via this page. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back onto your page. So this is your page, and what you're going to do is you're going to open up your page, and you're going to create a post. So we're just going to go and create our page. Best tips to lose weight, ... whatever they might be. You're going to click on post, and after you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to share this, and you're going to share to a group, and then you're going to link your group. So go back, you're going to share it on to your group. So, and you're going to search for weight loss over here, weight groups. Or if you can't find a group, you're just going to share to pages like so. Share to a group. Right now, I don't know why, but this isn't linking to my groups. But once you actually have joined those weight loss groups, you can start posting in them via your page and start advertising the content on your page as well. So you can see over here, if I post over here, I can just add a post and share my own posts as well. So as with your own personal account, you can share your posts on your own page to different groups and start advertising for your affiliate links via this method. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.